What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with my very first fitted hat unboxing of 2024. Happy New Year's, everybody. I didn't get a chance to make a dedicated Happy New Year's video, so I just want to take some time up top to thank everybody who supported the channel last year in 2023. We had a great run, but 2024, I am locked into giving y'all the best content I possibly can. So do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. Y'all know the vibes, and we are gonna get into this unboxing. Today is a special unboxing. I have a package from Rihno Fitteds. Shout out to Rhino. I met him last year, and he was just a cool, genuine dude who's been designing hats with a lot of different stores. And today I'm unboxing one of his upcoming releases. These actually drop tomorrow. So this whole pack that this hat is a part of that I'm about to show y'all drops tomorrow. Oh, there's a pin in here. I wasn't expecting that. Let's take a look at this pin right quick. I have one of Rhino's pins that he gave me when I met him last year, but I don't have this one. I like this. It's subtle, it's not too big. Got the yellow-orange combination on there. There's a little bit of glitter in there, a little razzle-dazzle. But let's take a look at the hat itself. So we have a two-tone Texas Rangers, sky blue on the crown or light blue. And we have black on the visor, white button on top, Texas Rangers front logo. So you have the white on the middle, a black outline, and then you have a silver shadow. 2020 inaugural season side patch with some good metallics in there. You have some blue, green, silver, white outline. It's a good looking side patch. Flat batterman on the back with some more metallics. So you have silver in the middle, blue on one side, green on the opposite side, green UV with the black guts. I'm loving the sky blue and black color combination. When I first saw the pack, this is the one that I gravitated towards instantly. I already have the sneaker combo on mine. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and tap in Small Feet Big Heat over on Instagram. You can find me there. I post all of my sneaker fitted combinations, all the outfit pictures so that y'all can see what I wear with all the fitted hats that I show on the channel. This one, I already got a great combo lined up for this Texas Rangers right here. Now this hat here is inspired by Christ the Redeemer, which is one of the 8 wonders of the world, and there are 7 other hats in the pack. So as you can imagine, the other 7 hats are inspired by the other 7 wonders, and I have photos of those, so we're gonna run through them right quick. Also on the pack is a Houston Astros inspired by the Coliseum. I like what Rhino did with this one. You could definitely see the influence. That particular front logo is definitely reminiscent of the Coliseum, kind of like the shape of it. And then you also have the colors like that tan on the crown and the black visor. It's put together really well, and I also like the accent colors in the front logo and the side patch. This next hat is inspired by the Great Wall. It's another two-tone. You got the off-white crown, the gray visor. Y'all see the vibes. Again, I like the choice in front logo. The Washington spell out I feel like works very well with the theme that we're talking about here. The Mets hat out of the pack is inspired by the Jordan Petra, and I really like this one. The orange with the gold combination. It's good. It's real good. This is probably my second favorite out of all the hats. There is a Rockies in the mix inspired by Machu Picchu, another two-tone. I really like the side patch on that one in particular. This two-tone gray Diamondbacks is inspired by Chichen Itza. I personally don't see this Anaheim Angels front logo often, so this was an interesting choice. This hat right here is inspired by the Pyramid of Giza. Last but definitely not least is this two-tone Phillies inspired by the Taj Mahal. Final thoughts on the whole pack. One thing I do like is the color scheme. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but the colors amongst the whole pack is definitely on par for the season that we're in. Right now, I'm pulling out a lot of hats that are blue, gray, brown, you know, the darker tones, the richer tones, and I feel like this collection is definitely on par for that. Like I said in the beginning, these hats do drop tomorrow, so if you see anything that you like, I think that we kicking off 2024 the right way. But y'all let me know, what do you think of the 8 wonders pack down below in the comment section? Sound off. Make sure y'all go show Rhino some love. I will put his information on the screen. We've seen a ton of hats inspired by music albums. We've seen a ton of hats inspired by food, beer, snacks, so on and so forth. I want to see something different, so this was a great way to kick off the year. I appreciate Rhino reaching out. If you want to see me unbox some more hats, check out this playlist right here. It's filled with fitted hat unboxings, or you can check out this video up top, which is my most recent upload.